Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. My name is Mwaka the Wifepreneur. Thank you so much guys for stopping by. In today's video I'm going to share with you step 2 of our 3-part series called 3 Steps to a Sellable ebook. So if you haven't watched step 1 or the first video to this series, please go check it in the description, or I'll also leave it up here. So make sure this is the right time for you to subscribe so that you do not miss out on the third step or the third video on this 3-part series. So make sure you go and subscribe guys so that you don't miss out on any of my content. So in today's video I'm going to share with you the second part, which is called validation. So with that being said, let's get into the video. So today we're going to talk about the second part. The first part we spoke about positioning yourself as an expert. Guys, I'll also urge you again, this is the last time you must go and watch the other part. Please go and watch the other part before you watch this one, because information is just down from there going down to the last part. So if you just watch this part, you will not understand where we are coming from it. So please pause, go to the link in the bio, or go to this link up here, go and watch the first part, then we can proceed. So we are talking about validation today. So it's very, very important that you validate your ebook idea, right? So you have a topic on the ebook that you want to write about, but that's what you think. It's not what maybe the followers or the people that you think might buy from you want. But now, because remember from the first video we said that you have to have a platform where you be sharing content, where you interact with people, where you build your fan base and so forth. At this point, that's where you're going to validate your ebook idea. So here on validation, we are making sure that this topic is the right topic for the ebook or not. So if people don't respond as you expect, make sure you drop it, because before you waste your energy and your resources to go ahead and do your ebook, hours of writing and off, so it will be pointless, it will be useless. If they are not responding to it now, it means that they will not respond to it when the ebook is written. It's just the same. So don't waste your energy, save it now. If they don't respond to your ebook the right way, please just drop it. But if they do, then you go ahead. All right, so how do you validate your idea? One way you can validate your idea is if you are on Instagram. You can do so through your Instagram posts. You can do so through your Instagram stories, So you have an idea on your specific topic, and I believe it's written somewhere. So each day or every 2-3 days, you can use the stickers in your stories to ask people if what you think is the right thing. So let's say if your ebook is about, let's say you are in the beauty industry and you teach ladies on how to take care of their natural hair. Okay, so what do you do in this case? So you can simply go in your stories. You ask them, what do they do on their wash day? What products do they use? Do they know what type of protective styles do they use, and all those things. So the response that you're going to get from them, it's going to determine whether these people know way more than you do, or they don't know anything. And then you decide to teach them from there. Okay, so that's how it works. So you can use Instagram stories to come up with your to validate your idea. So the second way is by coming up with a workshop or a webinar. So you can come up with a webinar. You can decide you're going to have a webinar on a specific date. You just go to Canva, get a flyer, design a nice flyer that states that you have a workshop coming on the what, and then you list the struggles of the people. You list the struggles that people are facing that you want to go and attend. So list the pain points, and then you also give them the promises or what they're going to get by the end of the workshop. How are they going to work out the same, or they're going to work out feeling better? So once the workshop comes, you're going to teach, and then you will see how many people respond to that workshop. Is it going to be a lot of people? Is it just going to be a few people? You know, that is how you validate. So you get to see if people really like your idea or people don't really like your idea. So that is the second way, by having a webinar. All right, the webinar, workshop, whatever you call it. And another way that you can validate your idea is to design a cover page of your ebook. At this point, the ebook is not even yet done, or it's not even yet written or prepared or whatever. But right now we are selling dreams. So you go in Canva, you design your ebook cover page. So you start selling that cover page, or you start talking about that cover page. You say, no, there's an ebook coming up for this much. Wait for it, it's coming up, it will be published on this specific date. All those ways, you'll see if people are responding, if they're excited, if people are ready to share to pay. I forgot to mention, in your webinar you can decide to teach about a specific topic within your ebook. Don't talk about everything in your ebook, just look for one piece that you may want to share with everybody, and that is what you're gonna do. Okay, so another way you can see if people are interested or not, or to validate your information, is to give a freebie. A freebie, it could be a checklist, it could be a roadmap, it could be anything that you want to give your people, so that just to build the interest and the excitement so that they can get to buy your product. So with all these ideas that I've given you here, you try them all. You can try them all, or you can decide to use one or two, then just to validate, to make sure that the idea that you have for your ebook, is it going to sell or not. So guys, make sure to subscribe so that you do not miss out on the last part of this 3-part series called 3 Steps to a Sellable Ebook. I'll see you in my next one.